Alright, hey everyone, it is me, Toby. So this is my very first Fursuit unboxing and Fursuit course. It's already open, there's a reason for that, but simply my sibling opened it because he thought it was figures he ordered online. But yeah, that's why it's open. Anyways, I'm better talking, so let's just get into this. Oh, by the way, it's made by Party Doggy Fur. I'll put some text on the screen and put the link so you guys can see its work. So we got first tail. Let's look at the trash bag. Ooh, look at that. Brushing. I mean, it was in a bag, so of course it's gonna be a little wrinkled. Look at that. That's amazing. Next, this is a different bag, better than the other one. It's white. Ooh, the beans. We got the beans. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, that's that. I'll start getting used to this. So like to claws, the buttons, fur. It's a huge paw, by the way. Look at that. Look at my arm. It's amazing. The other bean of that ball. Yeah, that one. Last but not least, sure. Yep, I see the snoot. Oh my god. Ah, look at that face. Bag. Look at that. That is so cute. Look at this boil. That's amazing. This is awesome. I love it. Yeah, so I gotta get used to this now. Damn, I know what people say, limited vision.